Hey sleepers, Zach here, sleep expert at Tuck. Today we'll be taking a look at the Bear Pro Mattress. This is Bear's newest addition to their lineup. They market their products towards athletes and sleepers with an active lifestyle. But how does the Bear Pro stack up to Tuck's tests? Keep watching to find out. We brought in some outside help to show how the mattress performs for different body types and to hear additional opinions from a variety of voices. Assisting us today, we have lightweight sleeper Jenny, average weight sleeper Wilfred, and heavyweight sleeper Jerica. Setting up the Bear Pro mattress is easy. We recommend having a friend around because while the mattress is compressed, it's a bit bulky and heavy for one person. Move the mattress to its final destination, unwrap it, and watch it come to life. Recovery should happen within the first 12 hours, but give it as much as 48 hours to fully recover. The Bear Pro mattress is a 12-inch mixed foam mattress constructed from 5 distinct layers. The cover is breathable Celliant that helps speed up muscle recovery and is cool to the touch. The comfort layers consist of 1-inch copper-infused polyfoam, 1.5-inch gel memory foam, and 2.5 inches of transitional polyfoam. The support core features 7 inches of high-density polyfoam. The Bear Pro comes in one firmness option. It's a 6 out of 10 on the firmness scale, making it a medium firm mattress. The feel of the Bear Pro is a bit different than traditional memory foam beds. There's only 1.5 inches of memory foam, and it's sandwiched between polyfoam comfort layers, giving the mattress a little more responsive feel. You won't get that stuck feeling that memory foam is known for. Sleepers will feel like they're sleeping in this mattress. The top 2 layers are very conforming, and we found that most sleepers will sink through them and settle on the transitional polyfoam layer. The lighter sleepers may settle into the top layers, giving the mattress a softer feel. To measure support, we looked at the spinal alignment of each of our sleepers when sleeping on their side. With a 7-inch high-density polyfoam support base and 2.5 inches of transitional layer above it, we found the Bear Pro offers adequate support. As you can see, our average weight sleeper's spine was well aligned. Our heavyweight sleeper was a little less so because she sunk through the softer comfort layers. And our lightweight sleeper received the best support from the Bear Pro. The mattress conformed to her body and her spine stayed very well aligned. Motion isolation refers to how well a mattress isolates and absorbs motion, and how well it keeps that motion from reaching your partner. We illustrate this with a water glass demonstration, where we place a glass with water on one end of the bed and have our heavyweight sleeper move around on the opposite side. As you can see, there is some motion with the water and the glass, but it's very minimal. All foam mattresses tend to isolate motion well, and the Bear Pro was no different. The 5 inches of softer foam and the comfort layer really help absorb motion across the surface of the bed. Even when testing the bed with multiple people tossing and turning on the mattress, we notice very little motion. Only the most sensitive sleepers will feel their sleep disturbed. Edge support refers to how much your mattress holds you up or pushes back against you while sitting on or sleeping close to the side of the bed. Mattresses with worse edge support will leave sleepers with a feeling of roll-off, which is akin to a mattress ejecting a sleeper. All foam mattresses tend to have weak edge support due to the all foam construction, which is intended to sink. While it's not great, the edge support for the Bear Pro felt better than most all foam beds. We did experience sinkage sitting along the edge of the bed, and even some while lying close to the edge. But after the initial sink through the comfort layers, we felt supported by the 7 inches of high-density foam, and we didn't fear rolling off. Using our 2D and 3D pressure mapping tools, we're able to look at how well mattresses relieve pressure on the body. You'll notice that the scale goes from blue to green to yellow to red, indicating increased amounts of pressure pushing back against each sleeper. When it hits red, there's a higher likelihood of reduced blood flow in those specific sections of the body. Our testing found that the softer foams and the comfort layers gave enough sink to help relieve pressure across all sleep types and weights. We did see the slightest bit of pressure on our lightweight sleeper's shoulder when lying on her side due to her sharp frame, but otherwise had great readings. Our average weight sleeper had some shoulder pressure while side sleeping as well, but no red spots or peaking, and received adequate pressure among all sleeping positions. And our heavyweight sleeper received more pressure relief than both our light and average testers. We saw no peaking on any sleep position. Temperature neutrality refers to whether a mattress disperses heat from your body, allowing for breathability and airflow. All foam mattresses can struggle with temperature neutrality, as they tend to trap body heat, and we did experience some warming with the Bear Pro Mattress, especially among heavier sleepers. However, the mattress performed better than other similar all-foam mattresses. Between the Cellian in the cover and the copper-infused top layer, the Bear Pro retains less body heat than other types of foam. Now let's take a minute to check in with our sleepers. Jerica, how did you like the Bear Pro?
I really liked it. Super comfy, and it absorbed a lot of my weight.
I approve. I liked it. It's a nice mattress, really great quality, and I think it feels expensive.
I really loved this one.
Yeah? What did you like about it so much?
I just like the feel of it. It's like really soft, and I feel like it's really comfortable and like really easy to sleep in.
I liked that it was very comfortable and soft, but underneath that top layer was a firm and supportive foundation.
Feeling other people get into the bed or moving around while you're on the bed as well, what was that experience like?
So while I was laying still, I couldn't really feel much movement, but when we were both starting to move around, I kind of felt the mattress kind of shifting and changing. I don't know if I would have been able to feel it while I was asleep, but I did feel just a little bit, just a little bit. Yeah.
Tell me a little bit about the edge. Getting into the mattress, sleeping close to the edge, was that comfortable for you?
I didn't have any problems with that. I feel like it's pretty supportive. I feel solid sitting here.
I don't feel supported at all on the edge. I'm just kind of sitting on it, you know, pretty average. But when I was laying on the edge, it definitely, I guess because of how comforting and soft, I definitely felt like I was gonna roll off.
As far as the temperature of this mattress, what did you think about that?
I feel like it runs cool.
Yeah.
Yeah, I definitely didn't get hot. Felt really comfortable, just kind of relax and, you know, let the cares of the day kind of go away. I definitely just kind of felt hugged.
Well, thank you so much.
Thank you,
great.
yeah.
Now let's take a look at how the Bear Pro mattress stacked up in our mattress tests. Support was very good for lightweight sleepers and good for average and heavyweight sleepers. Pressure relief was very good for all three sleeper weights. Motion isolation was very good. And edge support was good. Lastly, temperature neutrality was good. Here are a few takeaways based on the mattress testing. This mattress comes in one medium firm Firmness. If you know you like a firmer or softer bed, you may prefer something else. This mattress is made primarily of polyfoam and has that all-foam feel. So if you prefer the responsiveness of an innerspring mattress or that deep sink of memory foam, you may want to look elsewhere. Heavier sleepers may want more support than the Bear Pro offers. Some heavier sleepers may sink through the softer comfort layers to the firmer support core and not get the support they need. While the top two layers of the Bear Pro are soft, some lightweight side sleepers may prefer an even softer mattress, especially if you have a sharper frame like Jenny. We can't verify the recovery aspects of the Cellian in the Bear Pro mattress. While some of us felt like we experienced better sleep, we can't say with any authority that it was due to the Cellian. You can check out the studies done on the material on Bear's website. Here are a few recommendations based on our mattress testing. Average and heavyweight side and back sleepers. These sleepers should generally enjoy the balance of conforming and support provided by the Bear Pro. lightweight back and stomach sleepers will appreciate the firmness and conforming properties of the Bear Pro. While it may be too firm for lightweight side sleepers, it should offer a nice balance of support and relief for lighter back and stomach sleepers. If you're a warm sleeper, the Bear Pro has some added benefits to keep you cool throughout the night. The copper-infused top layer doesn't trap as much body heat and sleeps cooler than other foam materials. If you or your partner wake easily because of movement, the Bear Pro is a good option. It has great motion isolation. Athletes and those with an active lifestyle may want to check out the Bear Pro. We cannot confirm Celliant works as they claim, but if it does, it's just another bonus of this bed. Again, you can check out those studies on Bear's website. Before purchasing the Bear Pro mattress, here's some additional information you'll want to know. It comes with a 100-night sleep trial, a 10-year warranty, and free shipping and returns. For up-to-date pricing and discounts available exclusively for Tuck viewers, check out the description below or visit the written review on tuck.com. That's it for our Bear Pro mattress review. Please give us a like and subscribe to our channel if you found this helpful. If you'd like a personalized recommendation from our team, please comment below and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. As always, sleep well